that tornado causing damage to any structure. I think it hit in a field near the Forum out there off of Interstate 75. So that's the thinking right now. We'll see if the National Weather Service, once they come to investigate, they'll let us know exactly the path and the exact wind speed with that most likely EF0 tornado. But either way, weak tornadoes in Southwest Florida, they don't last long, a couple minutes or so, and there's the velocity. You can see the actual spin there right near Interstate 75 in Colonial. Red, wind going away from the radar. We're using the Tampa radar. Green, wind toward the radar. So there's the rotation. That's why the warning was issued. And obviously we saw the pictures and a possible touchdown only lasting a couple minutes or so, and then it weakened, and that warning was allowed to expire right around 4:30 this afternoon. Now, lighter rain, still some pockets of lightning, but most of the thunderstorm activity is over. These thunderstorms are weakening and raining themselves out, and that's going to be the theme for the next 2 hours or so as all of these thunderstorms collapse and they rain themselves out. So from Bonita to Estero, San Carlos Park, some pretty steady rain, and still looking at some pretty big drops from downtown Fort Myers all the way up to Port Charlotte and Punta Gorda. Where it did rain, we saw some very heavy rain, especially Lee County had some ponding on the roadways, some localized flooding in some locations of Cape Coral as well as Fort Myers. A lot of that is receding already. There are some estimates in Charlotte County, anywhere from 2 to 3 inches in some locations. A lot of you folks picking up more than 1.5 inches of rain. How about North Fort Myers, anywhere from 2.5 inches to 2 to 2.5 inches of rain. Downtown Fort Myers, about 3 inches, 4 inches out in the Cape, and 2 inches in South Fort Myers, and even in Collier County and the coast near Bonita Beach, as well as Bonita Springs and down toward Naples. Some portions of North Naples picking up about 3.5 inches of rain. So some pretty heavy rain, and it's still raining now, but we're going to see that basically dissipate here in the next 2 hours. So watch what happens on Future Track. Pick it up now. Notice by 9 o'clock, most of the rain will be over, and it will be weakening as it works its way off to the north and northwest. So tomorrow morning, we'll wake up dry. So the weekend is here. Enjoy it. The first half of the day, not too bad at all. Kind of a mix of sun and clouds, but by the afternoon, we will see those scattered showers and storms coming a little early as lunchtime. We can see the rain popping up tomorrow as well as Sunday, so look for a scattering of showers and storms. More clouds than sun for tomorrow, and that's why temperatures tomorrow will basically be in the upper 80s, so we will see a break from that heat that we've been dealing with the last several days. There's a Hyatt Regency Coconut Point Resort and Spa Skycam. Actually starting to see a little peak of sunshine between those clouds. We're looking off to the northwest, and you can see pretty much overcast conditions. Overcast conditions in downtown Fort Myers, and because of the rain, obviously temperature is much cooler. We're in the low 70s now. Dew points upper 60s. Relative humidity, it's wet, folks, 91%. Everybody's in the 70s now because of the rain, so much cooler, and it's still wet, and it's going to continue to stay wet for the next couple of hours, but we will dry things out overnight. Get out tomorrow early. It will be dry, but then the rain moves in pretty quick tomorrow as well as Sunday. Temperatures upper 80s and low 90s. Good news is, as we look ahead to the 4th of July on Thursday, isolated storms in the forecast. Now it's going to get hot. Not a lot of rain expected. Mid-90s are expected. And right now, it looks like all the rain will be over by the time the fireworks displays go off.
All right, thank you, Scott. Still to come on Wing News, creating families one adoption at a time. How these kids finally got their forever families.